In this episode of Between the Flowers, we will be discussing do-it-yourself filler. I'm Kathy from Pacific Northwest Aesthetics Academy with my great partner here, Wendy Pickett. A growing trend in this industry is DIY filler. And as you may have heard me say before, we all think we can learn to do anything on YouTube or the internet. And what we're seeing in our industry is a growing problem of illegal fillers, illegal neuromodulators, and a big influx. You can order them on Amazon, for heaven's sake. And we're seeing this trend with disastrous consequences. As you all know, anyone who's taken our training or follows us will know that safety is our number one priority when it comes to treating our patients. And when you order something online, you have absolutely no idea what you're getting. All of the products that we order, we have to have a medical director and a DEA number. So we're ordering products directly from the pharmaceutical companies that we know are legitimate. When you order a product off of Amazon or from China or from any other source besides the drug manufacturer, you have no idea what you're getting. Best case scenario, you're getting a bootleg product that is what it says it is. Worst case scenario, many of the dermal fillers actually include old school collagen and things that are irreversible and can either never be corrected or may require surgical intervention to remove them.
So, and this is something, so what happens is a consumer, just a lay person who's not medically trained at all, will watch a video. And in these videos, often they'll say, oh, you can do this at home. And they'll even give the websites to order these fillers online, which like blows my mind. So these, let's just say, younger women will order these fillers and then they'll inject themselves with it, which we all, as injectors, we know this is very dangerous. And our position statement at PNAA is that no injector should ever inject themselves with dermal filler. So if I'm a nurse and I'm doing it, and I can't be safe at all, a consumer is going to be even less safe. So there's been problems, there's been some reports of people doing this and then ending up in the emergency department because they've created a vascular occlusion in their own face. And again, these are consumers, so they don't know. And so it's really important for us as safe nurse injectors to educate our consumers and to be more mindful about how we present our dermal filler patients and just make sure that we're always stressing how dangerous this can be. Of course, we don't want to scare our patient base, but that's why they come to you. That's why they come to a trained medical professional for these procedures.
And everyone, we go through your dermal filler consents with you. There are inherent risks involved. Of course, we make it look easy, right? And that's because we're really good injectors and we've been adequately trained. But in reality, there's a lot more to this than just actually poking a needle in someone's face. You need to have a knowledge base of the vascular anatomy. You need to have a knowledge base of where the nerves, where all of the things live that are underneath the skin. And anything looks easy on YouTube, right? But let's just say you do have, if I were to tell a layperson, you need to be watching for ischemic changes in the skin. Most of them, unless they were nurses, their eyes would glaze over and they would have no idea what I was talking about. That in and of itself is terrifying. And so we want licensed medical providers administering these procedures because they understand the anatomy, they understand the inherent risks. And the most important thing is for most of our dermal fillers, all of our hyaluronic acid fillers can be immediately dissolved should something go wrong. And so having that protocol, having those products, having the knowledge as to see when something is going wrong is super important. I can't even stress it enough. And this is not something that should be performed at someone's hair salon unless it is a licensed medical person, but your hairdresser should not be injecting you with dermal filler. Your janitor should not be injecting you with dermal filler. Your sister should not be injecting you with dermal filler.
And you shouldn't be injecting yourself with dermal filler.
Exactly.
Whether you're trained or not, it's just not good practice.
Right. So please, 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 if you have knowledge of friends or family that are considering this, This is not a great way to save money. It is dangerous. You have no idea what these products are. I've had some personal experience with customers who have either self-injected or been injected, and their stories didn't really add up, and my suspicion is that they were ordering products off the internet. I have seen people in my office who have had mysterious products from out of the country injected in their face, and they were told it was hyaluronic acid, but I was unable to dissolve it and resolve those issues. So again, when you're using a product that you order off the internet, you have no idea what's in it, and if you do have a bad outcome, we may or may not be able to help you.
So in summary, just say no to do-it-yourself filler. Try not to post videos on your social media that could potentially be misrepresented as a training video for people who should not be doing these procedures.
If you're going to post yourself doing procedures, to all of you injectors out there, please, please, please give a disclaimer. This is not a training video. This is for information only. All procedures should be performed by qualified, trained, licensed medical providers.
Thanks you guys for watching our video. As always, we appreciate your feedback and we'd love to see comments below. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
Have a good day.